Learning and development for me isn't just about a course. It's not just about going on training. It's not just about looking at e-learning. We need to make sure that we're thinking about learning and development in the widest possible sphere and making it part of our day-to-day work. If people are given opportunities to learn and develop at work, it enables them to feel better about their job they're doing. It supports their motivation at work. It can support them to feel as a valued member of the team. I think it also supports our colleagues to think about where they might want to progress on to future job opportunities. And for our public services in Wales, we need people to grow and progress and to develop. So it's important for us as an organisation, it's important for people that are using our services, but it's also important for public services across Wales. I think there's loads of ways that we can support learning and development in the workplace. And some of that is about creating the environment in how we work and how we expect colleagues to work and learn as part of their everyday work and job responsibilities. So if you want to develop and if you want to learn, you need to be able to listen and hear from others. A culture is about how things feel, how things are day to day, not just what's written on a nice glossy brochure. And people have to feel that and they have to trust in that. So I would always judge a culture by what my teams, what my colleagues, what individuals using our services say experience from working with Social Care Wales. How does it feel for them? How do they feel that we operate? How can we improve what we do? How can we keep learning to improve our development and setting an environment where we're open to hear that feedback? By having a positive culture, by supporting people's learning development, creating a positive workplace, that goes some way to creating better well-being at work. And in turn, I think will support better well-being for the individuals that we're providing care and support for.